All right, guys, rotate.
So people really do just wind up having a great time with it, and it's always fun to kind of acquire a new skill set.
Stay bent over because how we.
Is Queen of Pain too slow, you think?
Hello.
I think that girls have more of an innate ability, but actually guys tend to stick with it longer. You'll see guys, they sort of have to overcome more to start dancing, so they have a higher commitment to it. My favorite part of teaching would be, I guess, actually seeing people excited about it, seeing that people are starting to enjoy something about it and that I've sort of helped them get there. So I really do think it's getting a chance to see other people enjoy it the same way that I do.
5,